Yes, my people, today I'm going to show you how to upload your presets onto Premiere Pro. So as you can see here, this 300 color corrections pack is what I'm going to upload straight into Premiere Pro. And when you get files that are PRF, PSET, this is how you upload them straight into Premiere Pro. So you're going to go to your effects panel over here, going to right click, and you're going to go import presets, or you can click the three lines here and go import presets. Then you're going to find your file. Mine was called 300 color preset pack. Press open. Boom, there you go. Here's the 300 color correction pack. As you can see here, we've got different presets. So if I want to try travel, for instance, I'm going to click it. Let me just quickly get rid of this grade. I'm going to add another adjustment layer above. And then yeah, all you need to do is go through them and see what ones you like. Might try a variety of ones until I see what ones I like. But yeah, my people, if you like what you saw, please like, comment and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one. Have a blessed day, my people.